Hey guys, welcome to another adventure. So this time I have Sean, Dino, and Tom. We're doing the Pemi loop. It's roughly 28 miles. We're breaking it up into 3 days, 2 nights. There are some campsites up there. I heard it was $8 to hang out there. We might stay there. If not, we just kind of pitch a tent off trail. But we're currently sitting at our first break. Short break by the bridge. We just walked 2.8 miles. Now we're gonna take a short break here by the bridge. Towards that way, where these two Francona Falls. And we're off. Short break and we're off. Took some layers off. Into the darkness we go. Dude, it looks dark over there. Climb. Wasn't too bad of a climb, but it was still enough to get us all tired.
You gotta fill this, use the filter, and put it to the smaller one. There you go.
Or if you attach the whole straw to it, the whole case, you just drink right out of it.
Well, he does that too.
Yeah. Fry rice for lunch. Bon appetit. Uh-oh. Water crossing.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Guess it gets easier from here, right?
Does it?
I don't know. It's so cold. What do you say? 30?
Probably,
30?
dude.
At least 40 degrees up here right now?
Yeah, it's fucking cold.
It's piercing my face.
I should put a jacket on. My nipples hot.
So,
I feel good on this.
No, I feel good.
I
My
feel
nipples
it.
hot. It's beaming.
your vagina's sticking out.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, I'm in your jacket. Yeah, that's way too close for comfort. Dude, imagine this rock like lips over and
We're going to New York City tomorrow for 2 days, and then back to Boston for
More climbing or
No, just Broadway.
ah,
Yeah.
city life?
So, we just ascended to Bond Cliff. And right now we're gonna cut through Bond and head over to the site for the campsite. It's about probably have 2 miles left, but finally, great view. It's probably about 40 degrees right now, which is not used to it yet, since we 2 days ago was 85 where we came from and humid. So we do have a few hikers ahead of us. I believe they're going to the same place. Just a bunch of elderly couple, 3 of them heading to the site. Also French Canadian. So we're about 9.3 miles in. Got about, hopefully, a mile left till we get to the campsite, which has water and everything, which we're all depleting. So, but we've hit 38. Actually, we're at about 4,000 feet elevation,
elevation,
but we did.
but no elevation.
What did we do?
We
We did 2,700 feet
No elevation.
actual elevation.
Not so much steam. Steam up here today.
Alright, we're at the top of Mount Bond. We got 0.7 left. We probably raked in about 10 miles today. Yeah, just got a little bit of cell service. So we're all making calls to our significant other. That's Mount Washington. Far away. Alright, we're about 0.3 miles from Gio campsite. I think that's how I would say it. But there's a fresh spring water on tap. And it's $5 to hammock camp there, which is no big deal. Yeah. So almost there. So we got to the site. They have these decks. It's pretty cool at the site. Pre-built, $10. You can pitch a tent here. It's pretty cool. But I don't want to haul a tent up all the way up here.
Oh hell
Ought to- Maybe from the other way.
Here's the bar complete.
Huddle in for the night.
Can you even see in the night?
Yeah, with all the lights on. Yeah. We'll huddle in for a hot meal. Yep, with the moon. See? Yeah,
oh shit.
Look at the moon over there.
Dude, you have to cover
Day
your head
2.
too, right? Yeah.
Good morning.
Bag to keep myself warm.
6:44.
No.
It's about 30 degrees out. I'm still in. It's so cold. My feet's cold. I had to pee like 4 times. Good morning.
Morning. Yeah. Morning.
Yes, we got snow flurry this morning. Sitting off the deck.
My wife.
I was like, did someone die last night? I hope no one died last night.
My wife.
Dude,
You guys was snot. Me and Dino, I know Dino's alive. And then you guys just snot. I'm like,
hey,
I want to wake them up, so just in case, yo. I want to fake a dead body in the morning. Put my
I
shit
see
under
the snow coming down.
Dino, pour some of it.
Right above. Oh my gosh, little snowflakes. Hey, I saw no at your sleeping bag, Emma. Snow, dude. I wonder how you did.
Ngọc đứng.
Yeah, right?
Oh shit, fit perfect.
Section.
Perfect. I like it.
Deck.
Hey, sao mấy giặt t-shirt á?
You,
Sao mấy giặt
right?
t-shirt?
All of us.
Wow.
All of us with t-shirts left today.
Layer over layer lower.
Day 2. Just leaving camp.
This one though.
Oh yeah.
Man. I was just coming out of the campsite.
Damn.
All warm.
My nose is freezing on.
Breaking ice. How's you up?
All right.
Shit.
So we're about to summit Gio.
Oh wow.
I don't know if you guys can see, but it is snowing. So awesome. Snowing in September. Late September, that is.
That's a beauty.
Yep.
Oh my god.
All right. 360.
Anh năm với mau bị sọc mai về mặt thời chứ.
Uh-huh.
Anh năm với mau cái đây sọc về mặt thời chứ. À bộ à chút.
Hmm.
Which one's the double?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. That should
So we're at Mount
on the
Gil,
side? Yeah.
which I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. So we have to go that way. Then traverse that.
Yep.
Yeah. There should be a hut up there too.
Where?
There's a hut up there.
And send to a rep. Yo, this is the whole trail right here.
Yep.
The whole trail have this.
It's all decked, the whole trail.
Yeah. And when they stairs, they build stairs.
Mm-hmm. Nah, this is for like the wet season. The wet season right there probably floods.
You made it.
Sunshine. Sunshine off in the distance. Please come this way. We just came from that. Yeah. Alright, just came up across this waterfall on the Francona Ridge Trail, or Brook Trail, Francona Brook Trail.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool.
It go right there.
Yeah, kind of tough. Yeah, and we just set up camp right by the water. We actually got a fire going. Oh, nice. Fucking green jean. There's the river over there. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Well, day 3. We're hiking back out to the car. Had a little bit of breakfast. Did our thing. We got 7.3 miles left to the car.
How many we got left?
7.3. But it's all flat, so it's a young trail. Water crossing. Sunshine too.
What's that?
Sunshine.
Oh shit, it's like a fucking river.
All those sticks right there, they kind of move when you.
Really?
Yeah. Alright. Water level is low. I'm gonna stop filming too. Come on, Green. Make my weekend. Fuck. He made it. Fuck.